Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video, I will show you how I am preparing my daily report with the use of fully automation tools. So let's jump to the video. If you see my desktop screen, here is my daily report formats, right? There is no data. As of now, there is no data, like no manpower, no project reports, no project dates, what is it? Nothing is here. I just simply paste my manpower report, whatever data comes from the site engineer in the WhatsApp group. I just simply copy it from there and paste it in my Telegram group. Whatever the data, I put it here, just simply click to the execute buttons. After pasting the data in the Telegram, what we need to press in the execute. When the data is executed, this is the process we are going through. After is completing successfully, all your manpower reports, see the data is completely showing here. See, total manpower is 75. Here is 73. Why? Because 73 plus 1 is manager and 1 is project engineer. So total is 75 people is there. Right? Then next part is we need to attach the site progress photos with the proper descriptions. How we can do that? Just simply we need to go here and click attach photos. Choose one photos from here. This photo is showing the glass partition work. So I mentioned the description, glass partition installation work in progress. Just before sending, I again click to the execute and send. After the send, again the process is ongoing. When the process is complete, your photos and the description is automatically show here. See the glass partition installation work is in progress, but the photo is not showing. I will show you why, what is the reason behind this. I need to attach again new photos. I will go this photo, click. This is a ceiling works. So ceiling closing work in progress. Attach the gypsum ceiling closing work in progress. I will send these photos. Again, I click to the execute. When I click to the execute, again the process is ongoing. I need to attach the third photo also. I click this photo. This is a joinery works. So I click here, joinery wall cladding iron installation work in progress. See, the second execution code is done. The gypsum ceiling, the description is showing here. Then again click to execute. Just simply send it. The third photo is joinery wall cladding, and the process is already started. See, joinery wall cladding is description is here, but the photo is not showing because you need to go simply your drive, because your all the photos will be uploaded in the drive folder. Just simply click all your photos, Control A, right click on the share, or click on again share. Because your photo is restricted, that's why in the sheet the progress photo is blank. Just simply click to any with one, and this description is also changed any with one, and this is follow any with the link, and just simply done. When it's done, again you come to the report, just refresh your data, your all progress photo shows here. See, I hope you understand this, how it's work. If you want the complete setup video, how prepare this integration between the Telegram group and the Google sheet and the another sheet, I will prepare the proper demo video. No worry. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.